Hey everyone, so today let's talk about this Nurafix Nano Car Spray that's been making the rounds online. You've probably seen the ads claiming it can magically remove scratches and restore your car's shine. Well, I went digging to see if it's the real deal or just another overhyped product. Let's get into it. So, according to its official website, Nurafix is a nano repairing spray that promises to fix minor scratches, restore plastic parts, and make your car look brand new. It's advertised as super easy to use. Just spray, wipe, and scratches disappear. The product also boasts features like hydrophobic coating to repel water and prevent spots, plastic part refurbishment to stop fading and aging, wide range of use on everything from tires to dashboards, non-toxic and odorless, so it's safe for all car surfaces. Sounds great, right? But here's where things get interesting. How well does it actually work? I checked Amazon, where this product sells for about $10 for two bottles. Sounds affordable, but the reviews tell a very mixed story. It has a 2.8-star rating from 401 reviews. Let's look at what people are saying. One-star review said, I was not happy with the product. It was like putting water on the car. It didn't cover any scratches. Total false advertising. Ouch. Next, 5-star review. The bottles are small, but a little goes a long way. I used it with a buffer and it made 80% of the scratches disappear. Even deep scratches look better with some touch up paint. Overall, great results if used properly. Now, if we look at this 3-star review, it said, it ruined my paint everywhere I used it. I'll need to wax the car to see if I can fix the damage. So yeah, it seems like the results vary a lot depending on how you use it, or maybe even what kind of car you're working on. Now, let's sum up the good and the bad. The pros are, it does enhance your car's shine, giving it that glossy, just polished look. The hydrophobic coating repels water, which is always a plus. It's easy to use even for people who aren't car experts, and compared to professional detailing, it's pretty affordable. The cons are the results don't last long. You'll need to reapply every few weeks. It works okay for minor scratches but won't fix deep ones. And reviews are super inconsistent, so performance might depend on the car or application method. On Trustpilot, Nurafix actually fares better. With a 4.2-star rating from 20 reviews, here are a few highlights. 5 stars said, my headlights were so dull, but after using Nurafix, they are crystal clear now. It seriously improved visibility at night. While for 4 stars, it worked wonders on my foggy headlights, saved me from replacing them, which would have cost way more. So while people seem happy with how it works on headlights, the feedback on scratch repair is still hit or miss. Alright, here's the deal. Nurafix isn't a total scam, but it's definitely not the magic solution it's marketed as. If you've got minor scratches or cloudy headlights, it can help, especially if you use a buffer for better results. But don't expect it to fix deep scratches or replace professional detailing. At $10, it's affordable, so maybe give it a shot if you're curious, but just keep your expectations realistic. And if you're nervous about trying it, stick to trusted brands or ask your local car detailing shop for advice. That's it for this review. Let me know if you've used Nurafix before. Did it work for you or was it a letdown? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.